Friends, welcome to our channel InhouseERP. This is video number 22 on the topic how to use color scales under conditional formatting in Excel. I hope you subscribe our channel. If not, so please subscribe it. So let's come. What is color scales under conditional formatting? Apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range. So come to see practically. First we create a database, serial number, name, age and gender. Go to conditional formatting, color scales and apply any one of the color. It may be green or it may be blue color range. Select as per your choice. So now you see light yellow show 12, then 24, 26, 32, 34. These are different color scales. This function basically used for to see your data graphically. You can use this functionality in your presentation also to show your data in different color ranges. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel and video. If any query, please do comment in the comment box and the next content will come soon.